Alright, here we have our install. We finally got her done. We got the new Ion 4 faucet in. We tested our water, the K8. So we've got 9.5. That is just regular clear water that's been filtered, and that's the regular tap water, the chlorine in it. We tested the chlorine level, so here's our K8. That's it. It's a good looking unit, so, and you can't see the regulator, but there it is. There's the flow regulator. There's how she's hooked up. There's all the hookups there. A nice clean setup for the K8. And there you have your Kangen water coming out there, and that's the acidic spout. So, nice, awesome setup. DivineReflections.biz.